How to add music to Instagram story without losing quality. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app. Sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right. Choose three-line icon at top right. Scroll down. Locate the option for data uses and media quality and launch it. And make sure that you toggle the button on for upload at highest quality and turn the button off for data saver. Come back. Now tap on your story at top left and add an image or a video. After that, tap on the music icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Not Now. And after that, you can easily browse or choose a music from For You section. You can easily set the duration, set the clip, and the style for your music. You can easily locate the lyrics anywhere and place it anywhere you'd like to. Once done, tap down at top right. Now you can tap your story at bottom left or simply choose close friends. And now you have successfully added music to Instagram story without losing quality. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.